Just being good at coding isn't enough. If you don't know algorithms, it's like having a wrench, but not knowing which bolt to loosen. In this video, we're going to explore the algorithms that not only save you from getting stuck in projects, but also help your career grow, especially in companies that truly value thinking skills. Why are algorithms even important? An algorithm isn't just a set of instructions, it's a framework for thinking. When you're faced with a big problem, it's your algorithms that tell you how to simplify, how to move forward more efficiently, and how to get through proven paths even faster. The difference between an average developer and an effective one lies in their way of thinking, and that way of thinking is shaped by algorithms. 1. Search algorithms. One of the most essential skills is mastering search algorithms. Most applications, from an online store to a search engine, are all about finding things quickly and accurately. What should you know? Linear search, binary search, graph search, DFS, BFS. In Google, to find the closest server to a user or to optimize searches, complex search algorithms are combined with structured data. 2. Sorting algorithms. Sorting isn't just for lists. It's crucial for building anything that depends on order. From operating system scheduling to organizing search results. What should you know? QuickSort, MergeSort, HeapSort. In Amazon or Netflix, sorting filters or ranking results is a core part of the recommendation system. 3. Dynamic programming. If you're working in fields like fintech, resource allocation, scheduling, or even machine learning, optimization and DP are lifesavers. Algorithms like knapsack, Fibonacci with memoization, and minimum cost pathfinding are directly used in real-world projects. Learn these. Principle of optimality. Tabulation versus memoization. State transition functions. In systems like Uber or Airbnb, optimization algorithms play a key role in resource allocation and trip cost calculation. 4. Machine learning algorithms and intelligent search. Today's world doesn't move forward without smart algorithms. Even if AI isn't your specialty, you need to understand how algorithms like KNN, decision tree, gradient descent think. Basic concepts. Classification, clustering, supervised and unsupervised learning. The algorithms Facebook uses to analyze user behavior or YouTube's recommendation engine are all built on these foundations. 5. Graph algorithms. Almost all network-based structures we deal with, from the internet to social networks, are built on graphs. Understanding algorithms like Dijkstra is not only crucial in game development and pathfinding, but also in advanced software engineering and network analysis. Key topics. Graph traversal. Shortest path algorithms. Minimum spanning tree, Kruskal Prim. Routing algorithms in Google Maps and connection analysis in LinkedIn are based on these principles. Learning algorithms means equipping yourself for bigger projects and faster decision-making. Programming isn't just a way of writing, it's a way of thinking. Everyone in the job market needs someone who can code. But the one who writes smart, efficient code is the one who grows. Which of these algorithms are you skilled at? Which one do you need to start learning right now? Drop a comment and let us know where you're at. Maybe our next video will be made exactly based on what you need.